Michael Jaafar still with us, getting more readouts on the hearing here, and Shannon Gray, who represents the Gonzalez family, asking for clarification. And the judge said your clients are not parties to this gag order. The only parties are the state and Mr. Kohberger. They're now talking about Shannon Gray. He may be, because he'll be privy likely to some information because his clients are potential witnesses in this case. Michael Jaafar, what do you make of Kohberger wearing a suit today for this pretrial hearing, you know, instead of the prison garb? Probably a smart move by his defense team to get permission, likely from the court, to allow him to do that.
Yeah, I mean, Vonda talked about the case being overturned on appeal. One of the ways that it could be overturned on appeal is if the court does not allow him to defend himself and they force him to come in. Just think about it. If the court did not allow him to wear a suit and he came in the orange jumpsuit, case is done, right? I mean, you can present the evidence, but case is over. You can see him on the screen right now. I mean, in that prison garb, he looks guilty. I mean, you know, my defense attorney buddies will lambaste me for saying that, but I mean, he looks guilty in that, right? He has to wear a suit. Every time the jury sees him, he's got to wear a suit. And I've always puzzled when defense attorneys allow their clients to come into court looking like they're guilty. We're analyzing another case, another segment, where the defendant has a tattoo on his eye, and I'm thinking, as a defense attorney, I would never allow my client to come in front of a jury with a tattoo on his eye. There's ways of covering it up, right? You're screaming that I'm guilty, right? And so this person obviously wearing a suit is necessary for his defense, absolutely necessary. He has to do it. He cannot come in the prison garb. And I could be wrong on this, but I've never seen a court not allow a defendant while he's in front of a jury to wear a suit.
Yeah, sometimes pretrial, no, they can't. They need special permission. Need a break. Back with more after this.